Can thrifted items be the star of your style story? I have curated a closet full of fabulous finds that simply answer yes to style, sustainability, and of course, stupidly deliciousness. I am lifting the veil off the gift that is thrift to reveal to you the splendiferous gems that say, I'm ready for my close-up. Season 2 is all about bold print and beautiful color. I'm Marcia, and this.
Oh, 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 oh. Thrifted.
So, I remember attending a very special event in Barbados, and while there, we attended a resort called The House on Tamarind Cove. So, I walk up to the venue and walk across foothills of koi ponds, and then, in the distance, I notice a 20-foot wooden hand-carved door, and there, beside it, is a very chocolate man dressed in white linen. Was I in heaven? I could have. But it was actually just a very posh luxury resort. As he opened the doors, I was welcomed by exquisite lounge chairs with coffee tables and chess tables, and off into the distance was the sea. For all things luxury, all things resort, and all things fabulous, I call this look the house.
This cobalt blue romper definitely makes a statement. It's bold, it's vivid and beautiful. It's paired with coral slingback platforms and a gold and coral belt. Its companion print is lounge luxury and ready for a resort near you. It is paired with highlighter orange peep toe platforms. Say that 5 times fast.
Bold prints and colors can be very intimidating to some people. So, if you fall into this category, might I suggest easing yourself into it gradually? Perhaps a printed scarf or a bold top or pant until you work your way up to hazmat. Remember to thrift like a boss and be